और अब आपको बता दें कि तमिलनाडु में महामारी के कारण जान गंवाने वाले डॉक्टर्स के परिवार के लिए जो मुआवजे की आस, आपको बता दें, अब एक अंतहीन इंतजार बनता जा रहा है। इसके साथ ही करीब 2 महीने पहले आपको बताएं कि डीएमके की सरकार ने ऐलान किया था कि ड्यूटी पर मरने वाले जो डॉक्टर्स हैं उनके परिवार को 25 लाख रुपए मुआवजे के तौर पर दिए जाएंगे, लेकिन अब तक 110 में से केवल 2 परिवारों को ही ये मुआवजा मिला है। और जुड़ेंगे सीधे हमारे सहयोगी मुगलन इस वक्त हमारे साथ हैं और ज्यादा अपडेट लेकर। मुगलन, टेल अस मोर ऑन दिस न्यूज़।
So far, we have seen in Tamil Nadu, thousands have died to COVID infection, and along with them, so far in Tamil Nadu alone, 110 doctors have died so far while treating the patients for COVID infection. And following that, after the new government taking charge here in Tamil Nadu, the DMK government announced 25 lakhs as solution to all the families of the doctors who have died during this COVID infection while treating the patients. And what we are learning now is that out of 110 doctors who have died in Tamil Nadu so far, only 2 doctor families have received their solution, is what we are hearing. And we tried getting in touch with the Indian Medical Association and the health department officials. What we could hear from the health department officials is that so far they have files of 48 doctors, and it is in the advanced stage, is what we are hearing from the health department. Even though the health department says that they are processing the files of all the doctors who have died during the first and the second wave, the doctors from various associations say that government is delaying by not sanctioning the benefits that was promised by the Tamil Nadu state government. And we also spoke with the family members of the doctors who have died during the COVID, and they also have requested the government that the benefits and the solution that's promised by the Tamil Nadu state government should be released immediately, and as they are suffering in the loss of their breadwinners in the family. So now what we are hearing is that now government is processing the files of doctors who have died due to COVID infection, the wave 1 and 2.
राइट मुगलन, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया इन तमाम जानकारी के लिए।